Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram login problem. So let's get into it. Number 1. Update the Telegram app. An outdated app can be the cause of the errors in the Telegram app. Number 2. Restart your phone. This will close all apps and services running in the background and clear out bugs and glitches in the app. As a result, it will help you fix the update error on Telegram. Number 3. Clear cache data. If restarting your phone doesn't work, clear the app's cache data to reset the app and delete all its corrupted and temporary files. Go to the settings and tap on Apps. Locate and select the Telegram app from the list. Now tap on the storage option and then select Clear Cache. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.